Did you see that?
It's getting dark already.
Can we keep the lights on?
Relax, nothing scary.
Leo?
It's just the power.
Did you hear that?
Stay here. Got the flashlight. Don't leave me. I'm right here.
Door creaks.
Did you see that?
I'll check it.
Wait! Something falls! Leo!
It's okay, I think.
Curtains move.
Something's there.
Wait. It's just the window.
Really?
Yeah, nothing scary.
Lights turn back on.
See? Nothing to fear.
I was really scared.
Dark doesn't mean danger.